Hello everybody, my name is Naisha Fox here. I'm here with another video. I'm sorry for not uploading too much videos because I've been at school and I can't do some videos. So here's for you guys. I'm going to show you 3 types of slimes that I have. I'm going to show you the worst one to the best one. Here's my first one. I can't actually move it. It's oh my god. It is so slimy. See? See? If you can hear that. Put those eyeballs. These from Halloween slimes. Oh, I can't take it off if you see it. See? See? It's wiggly and jiggly. I can't do anything with this. This is like the worst slime that they gave me. Yeah, too many eyeballs. Oh, look at this. I can't mush it. What is wrong with this? I've been checking this out and it's a fail slime. See? Look at it. Okay. Next. I don't want to show my face too much. I don't want to. Leave that there. Nobody see that. Oh, now there's eyeballs. They're gonna stick to my other slimes. Let me put that aside. Let's to the second one. I'm finding someone coming to my room. Yeah, as you can see, I have a lot of collections here, and there's a cool rock that I got it from a cave that I was adventuring. I'm sorry for not uploading that. I'll try to upload it in the future. This is a fluffy slime. It turned out to be a slime. But it's nice. Second favorite. Let's squish it for a little while. Let me turn this upside down. It's gonna get all over my floor. Okay, let's go. Put on my sleeves. Let's see it in detail. See, it's a cool color. It has glitter all over. See? I love this. Favorite. Okay, let's put this back in the bag. Oh, this is not a short video. This could be a lot. Whew. Mosquito. What is that doing? This is my second slime. Digo. Sorry. This is my first slime, my galaxy slime. It's so shiny. I put a lot of glitter in it. It is a purple neon color. It looks like a blue color in the video, but it's actually purple. I love this slime so much. I'm actually, you know, how do I put the camera facing this way? I put it facing that way so I can do something. I will try to turn it, but when I finish with these slimes, I'm gonna show you one of my arts, my new arts that I was making at school. And it turned out to be good. If you're how can I say it, a fan of Bendy machine, I'll show you one of those. I have 3 no, I have 4 drawings of those. One was my friend, and the other 3 were mine. Oh, and if you're a fan of how can I say it, of Jurassic World, I have 2 exclusives here that I have this the Indominus Rex, and the other one, the Indoraptor. Some of you have seen the new movie. It is awesome. The Indoraptor is so awesome. I got scared the first time that I saw it, but now I'm seeing it a lot of times, and it's awesome. My grandmother has that. She liked the movie. I don't know what to do. Oh, if you want to find me on Xbox One, I will tell you guys. It is UniKittyGirl123. Send me a friend request if you can. You know why I say UniKittyGirl? I actually love Unikitty. I'm a fan of Unikitty, boy. Tomorrow is school. It's almost Friday. I think tomorrow's Friday. I don't know. Need to check. Okay, let me put this back in the container. Get in there. Okay, now I'm going to see you the drawings that I made. I hope I have the thing over here. I'm going to take you with me. I'll stop the video for a tiny bit. I'll see you when I finish. It's not working. Okay. Oh God. Please. Oh no. Come with me. Shh. Ignore all the noise outside. Sorry. Too much noise going on. Where? Okay. Got it. Got my drawing book. Sorry for the ruckus. It's too early. Too early. Give me a second. First one, I'm going to show you like all of them. First one is this one if you want to read it. It's here. Okay. You can stop the video if you didn't see it all. Put these aside. Get to my first one. If you're a fan of dinosaurs, here's one for you guys. The Indominus Rex. I draw amazing. This is my little brother and me. I just drew it because the little cats play. I don't know. It's like a mix. This is still a work in progress. I never got to finish it. This is one of my, oh yes, it's 5, Bendy, sorry. I miscounted. This is one of my friends. Oh yeah, the first one that I showed you, a Bendy and ink machine, that was her. This is another one. This is a cat or wolf. This is me, a deer. I got bored again. I always get bored. This thing. Oh yeah, my friend did this for me because I love Stitch so much. Ohana means family. Yeah, she's called Heather. Hi Heather, if you subscribe, shout out to you. Oh, this is my dog. I know, realistic. Everybody says so. I haven't even colored it. Skip that. I got bored, but it's adorable. It looks like a furry. This is one of my first drawings. I know it looks... See? Bendy and the Devil Swing. Bleep. Yeah. Somebody wrote that there by Nisha Fox. This is the fox and the wolf. Oh, You're gonna love this. There we go. Then it's Bendy and the Devil Swing. This is another one I got bored. It's Toothless, and I'm still work in progress on that one. These are the 2 new ones from today. This is Bendy doing something. I don't know. I need to still edit it, that one. This one is cute Bendy. I can't say. Adorable. I know, it's adorable. And that's all my drawings for today. I don't know. Shout out. I'm going to make a shout out to one of my family members. Thank you so much for subscribing and stuff. And please enjoy this video of my drawings again. And leave a like and subscribe. Leave the notifications on. And I will see you next time.